What's up, guys? So it's early, it's Saturday, and I'm gonna go get a motor for this baby. That's my old motor. So we'll take a little trip. I'll show you what it is, and we'll talk about it on the way. All right, guys, so you obviously can't start your morning without breakfast. So picking up some breakfast, or picked up some breakfast, heading to my buddy's house. We are gonna go pick up his car that has my motor in it. Little quick review. I'm buying his motor out of his car. He has a notchback with 331 Windsor turboed. So I'm not gonna be using my motor. My motor was a 351 Windsor, carbureted, but I'm switching it up. I'm gonna have a EFI 331 turbo Windsor. So it should be fun. It should be it's probably gonna be a hassle to do all that to my car, but you guys have it. It's a 331 Windsor turboed. I'm getting the transmission. I'm getting everything. He has a 5-speed tranny in there, and mine's just automatic. But for the meantime, I'm probably gonna just run my automatic in there before I swap it, because I'm running out of time and it's almost summer, and I need to have my car out, guys. So the plan is to run my tranny for this year. Over the winter, I'll break it down again and do more things. I just want to get this thing running and driving, because it's been 2 years since I've had it out and I miss it. So I'm gonna get a whole bunch of stuff from my buddy, and it should be fun. And you guys stay tuned for it, because it's gonna be badass, guys. Here we are at my buddy's house. Badass setup. His car, truck, his wagon, and the trailer. Now we're gonna figure out how to stuff it into my 69. This is a 69, you guys remember this car. Heartless, but his brother's here and we need to swap it. We don't know how. I got a 331 Windsor with the turbo, fuel injected. It's just a little baby on steroids. Nothing crazy, I guess, but that's what's gonna be going into my car. Like I mentioned to you guys, I got tranny. I mean, everything you see here, it's mine besides the car. So that's the next move, is taking it apart and trying to figure out how we're gonna put it in here, because from the looks of it, looks tight. So we're gonna try to record on the way and see what we could do, and hopefully this thing actually is running this summer.
Don't forget, he's got to fit this in, and it's much narrower. How are you gonna do that, guy?
I don't know. We're figuring something out. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. From shock tower to shock tower on this one, this one's got like 4 inches on my car. So that's where I'm running into my problems of fitting these headers and seeing how I'm gonna work with that. I either gotta notch mine, or do a tubular front end, something. I mean, I hope I don't have to go that crazy, but we're gonna have to figure something out, and hopefully it all works out, which everything's possible. You just need time. Yep, so that's the plan, guys. So you guys stay tuned for it, and we'll be trying to upload here, because I'm really great at that. I post every 2 months. And yeah, you guys go like and subscribe, because we got some badass Mustangs here. So we're gonna get started here, trying to disassemble this thing. We're gonna start just with the turbo piping and seeing if we get these headers out. The precision turbo, I probably didn't tell you guys, but it is a 76 millimeter turbo, so it'll be a little juicy, and hopefully we do get it in there. guys, it's out. The Snell is out.
It's like carrying a baby.
Yeah, it is.
Thing's as big as your head, cuz.
It spins. I thought you never got it to turn on, Mark. It's been 3 days. Real quick, the first day, picked up the car. Last night, we pulled the motor out, which was not on the agenda, but that's always good. The plan was to pull out just the turbo piping and the turbos, headers. But 2.5 hours later, we got the whole motor out. It was supposed to be in my car. That was a plan because I didn't have an extra engine stand. So I was just going to plan on yanking it and setting it in here. But it didn't go as planned. This motor here has the oil pan, the bigger side to the back, which wasn't going to work for me. As you guys can see, my steering rack is in the back. And on my buddy's car, his steering rack is in the front. So with that being said, it didn't work out. I guess not a problem. I ordered up a new oil pan. So hopefully by a couple days from now, I get that oil pan and I could finally set this motor in. That's the next step, guys. Once it's set in, my buddy's gonna come over. We're gonna see what we gotta do to fit these headers, either notch these shock towers to get more room or get some custom headers or something. I don't know if I mentioned to you guys, but this Mustang is actually about 4 inches wider from shock tower to shock tower versus mine. So I'm losing 4 inches, which once the heads are in there, the headers, I'm losing space, guys. So hopefully, if it's a tight fit, it's a tight fit, but hopefully I don't got to do any crazy mods there. I don't want to go too crazy on the front end yet. But you guys have it. The motor's out. Not in my car, but it's not a biggie. We're gonna get this settled once I get this oil pan in. My buddy's car should be out of here soon. I don't know if I told you guys, I got this killer deal on this motor, tranny, clutch, the pedal. My car's automatic, and I plan on making it a manual just to make it a little bit more fun. I think since it's a classic, it'll be fun having a 5-speed. But for now, like I said, my automatic will be in there just so I could get this thing a little bit quicker out on the road if I can. But you guys keep liking, keep watching, subscribe, tell your buddies, your sisters, your daddies, your mamas, tell everybody to subscribe. We got cool videos, we got cool things. You can't go wrong with Mustangs or a lifted truck. So we're trying to get some good content out. Big shout out to my buddy Hector for helping me out last night. We're out here till about midnight pulling this motor out. Big shout out. You guys follow, subscribe to him. It's Drag 'em Up Down Force. He's got some cool videos out there. He's got a cool Grand National, cool blue car, Mustang. So you guys go check him out. Like I said, shout out to him. Shout out to my buddy who is giving me this killer deal on this motor. And you guys, like I said, like, comment, subscribe. We got more things coming to you and cool Mustangs in your neighborhood coming to you. So like.